eat raw?
That's for me?
Mm-hmm.
Well. Thank you.
Aren't you gonna eat it?
Yes! This is it. This is the one I was looking for. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Looks like more rain.
Yeah.
You lost.
No. Grandchild? Beautiful. Really beautiful.
Grandpa, come on. It's late.
Please deposit 75 cents for the next 3 minutes.
Hi, I'm...
6723. Not in. You know what to do.
Hi, it's me. I was just driving around and, there was this guy. He was delivering milk. He had this little girl, and this most incredible little girl with red hair. She had red hair, and these eyes were just, she reminded me of you. And I don't know if something happened, it just clicked. Everything came together, and I don't want to lose you. I can't lose you. I want to be with you. So let's just do this thing, all right? Let's get married. I want kids. I want a family. I want the house. I want the whole thing. And look, this is what I want you to do, all right? Listen to me. I want you to get in the car. I want you to drive up to the Bedford Inn. It's about 2 miles north of the museum, and wait for me there, okay? Can you do that? Promise me. Do that. And I was wrong. It is about you. It's about you. Everything's about you. Always was about you. Only you. What else? Marry me. I said that already. It's 8:15. I look like shit. I'm crazy about you. I'm always gonna be crazy about you. Oh, by the way, this is Vincent. Vincent Eastman. God.